Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to give you a glimpse into what's involved in the engineering of high-end luxury furniture. This is a type of joint that I made up. It's called a quadruple tenon. You could call it a four tenon. You can call it whatever you want. This is the right type of joinery to use because it's integral. It's part of the piece. It will never break. Also, it's 4 times as strong as a normal tenon because it has double the shoulders and cheeks. I wanted to show you the process involved to cut this. Now the template involved I had to make up myself because it doesn't really exist. The spacing's kind of odd. They are 4 tenons side by side, 2 on top of each other, and there are 6 more of these to cut. The template rides around, and I'm using I am regular cutting this with a 2-flute upcut bit. I'm taking big cuts, but I'm controlling the cut, and I'm really taking my time. And in terms of layout, I used calipers, and I took measurements directly off of my mortises. Now these are going to be cut. Like I said, there are 6 more. After this, they'll be fitted. You will have a front row seat to all that, and pretty soon I'm going to have a standing table, and I'll be able to work on all the internal mechanisms for the butterfly part. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this. I won't talk anymore. I'll just let you watch. There are 4 tenons that are about to be milled out of here. Thank you so much for watching.